Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the HD boyfriend from Friday Night Funkin. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the eyes. Draw a long diagonal line for his eyebrow. And then thicken it slightly. Add a long U shape for the eye, and color it in black. Draw the other eyebrow now with a checkmark shape. Add the eye in the same way, but make the bottom flat. Let's draw the shape of his face next. To the left, draw a short angled line. Then curve the cheek out and back in, stopping below the right eye. Now angle the chin up. Leave a gap and then continue the face line up to the right. Let's draw his mouth next. To the right of the eyes, draw an upside down curve. Now from the middle of this line, draw a curve down to the left, stopping below the left eye. And then add another curve underneath to close off the mouth, like this. Let's start drawing the hair next. Draw two curved lines above the right eye in the middle here. From the right line, draw a curved pointed section of hair out to the right. Next, from the left line, draw a large curved line across the top of the left eye and the side of the face like this. And then a curve down to close off this section of hair. Next, add one more upwards curved piece of hair on the right. And now a pointed section up at the top here. Next, draw a curved line on the right to close off the right side of the hair. Now add another pointed section of hair on the top left. And then a diagonal line to close off the hair. Next, draw his sideburn with a curved V shape on the right. Let's draw his ear next with a C-shaped curve on the right side here. Then add the detailed lines inside the ear like this. Let's draw the hat next. Draw a line up on the top right here above the right eyebrow. Then from the top left point, draw a line up and then curve it in slightly. Now connect these lines across the top. Next, draw a diagonal line up from the side of the ear. And then a line to close off the hat. Before finishing off the hair, let's start drawing the body. From under the chin, draw a curved line up towards the ear. Then add a curved line under the chin here and color this section in black. Now draw the shoulder on the right like this. Let's finish off his hair next. Draw a pointed section of hair out to the right, starting from the side of the ear. And then one more smaller one under it. Next, add the brim of the hat with a U shape out to the right. Now let's draw his right shirt sleeve. Draw a curve on the right from the shoulder. And then one more curve for the bottom of the sleeve. Next, under his face on the left, draw a bent line down. And then a wide V shape from the bottom of this line. Before continuing the t-shirt, draw 2 lines down from the sleeve on the right for the arm. Now let's hop back to the left and draw a long curve out to the left. And then a curve at the bottom over to the arm to close off his t-shirt. Lastly, for his t-shirt, let's draw the symbol in the middle. I'll be changing this to red later when I'm coloring. You can draw it red now or keep it black, it's up to you. Draw a bent, wobbly circle shape like this. And then add a diagonal line across the center. Next, draw a curved line across the bottom of the arm. And then a line out from the side and then a curve down. From the bottom of this line, draw a large V shape to the left. Let's draw his right shoe next. Draw a curve over and down on the left side of the V. Now from the right side, draw a curved square shape out and down. Then move back over to the left and draw a curve over and then a line back in. Next, add a small black oval shape in each top section of the shoe. Now let's finish off the shape of the shoe like this. Next, add the sole of the shoe underneath. Start with bent lines out on either side, and then a curve across the bottom. To finish off the shoe, let's draw the laces. Draw a curved line at the top of the shoe behind the V shape. And then another longer curve below it. Close off the top lace with lines down on either side. Next, draw 2 bumps down on either side of the line below. And then close it off like this. And add one more line across inside. Let's draw the other side of his pant leg next with a zigzag line in the middle here. Now draw the left side of his pants with a pointed line on the left from under the shirt. Let's draw the other shoe now. Start by drawing the tongue of the shoe here like this. Then a pointed line up on the right to the pant leg. Let's draw the laces next. Start by drawing 4 curved lines on the left. Now close off the laces at the bottom with curved lines like this. Let's finish off the shape of the shoe now. Draw a curve on the left. And then on the bottom right, draw a small J shape. Then close it off with an S curve across. Now add the sole at the bottom following the same curve. Lastly, add a small black circle on the back right of the shoe. Let's draw his hand next. Draw a curve on the left here above the pants. And then draw 2 fingers above it on an angle. Now close off the hand with 4 bumps down to the shoe on an angle. Make sure the bumps line up with the finger lines. Let's draw the microphone next. Draw a small line up from the top left of the hand. And then a curve over. Next, draw a large circle shape at the top for the microphone head. And then add some detailed curved lines inside. Let's draw the thumb next. From the right of the microphone, draw a bent line down. And then a curve down to the right and back in like this. Next, add a bent line inside for the thumbnail. Lastly, let's draw his other sleeve and arm. Draw 2 staggered diagonal lines down from his left cheek. Then a curved line at the bottom, stopping here. Now a line across to the thumb for the arm. And that's it for the HD boyfriend. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.